Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix a Roblox error code 529. So if you're having this error, then you don't know how to fix it, then watch this video until the end. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now the first reason why you are getting this code could be that your internet connection is not working or if it is too slow. Now most people don't check this, so make sure to check if your internet connection is fast. You can just go to YouTube and see a video. If it takes a really long time just to watch a video, then internet that is slow. But if any website you're opening or anything else is working smoothly, then the problem is not your internet, but simply restart your PC. Sometimes just restarting your PC also fixes a problem. And if it's still not fixed, the next thing you can do is log out from your Roblox account and log in again. To log out, you can click on the setting icon at the top right and just choose log out. Just make sure to remember your password, otherwise you can't log in into your account again. So if you remember your login details, you can log out and log in into your account and the problem should be fixed. If it is still not fixed, the next thing you want to do is open up your browser and you want to go to status Roblox. Once you search for status Roblox, click on Roblox server status. And in this website, if it shows green over here, that means like Roblox is working. If it shows like anything else like this color over here, anything else than green, that means Roblox server is offline. And if Roblox server is offline, then you can't do anything. You have to wait until their servers are on again so you guys can start using or start playing Roblox. If it shows anything else than green, that it's Roblox problem. You have to wait until they fix it. And to check if it is fixed or not, just come back to this website and see if this bar is green or not. If it is green, it's okay. If it is not, it's not. So I hope you guys understand how you guys can fix this error code issue. Hit that subscribe to our channel One to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.